Inside the box of the JBL, you get somewhat similar stuff here. User guide, USB-C charging cable, and yeah, the speaker itself, nice and compact. Pretty nice build quality as well, but as you can see, obviously a different shape, and you get a nice clip on the top of this one. So you'll be able to put this on just about anything, backpack, bicycle, and so on. Well, except for on a flat surface, that is. Plus it's got nice rubber bumpers there on the back. So you could lay this down to listen to it if you want, but you're also gonna notice quite a bit of difference here when it comes to controls. With the JBL, you've got a familiar rubberized buttons there on the front and on the side, which are pretty nice, easy to use. Here's some quick audio samples just to give you an idea of what this speaker sounds like.
And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.